Worst embarrassment for your goat. And if each eye can ride. But apart from the whole talking about car, what's up? I mean, I don't know what a car story coming in, I want to talk about. But since I don't know one chat, the worst embarrassment for the goat and never fucking ride. The worst embarrassment. You know, drive gone away. You have to call Uber. Uber start. Okay? We're done with that topic then. No. I don't have to discuss that. So if you don't see on the ear, man, talk about buy a bus. Chef want me. A bus, a bike, or anything. Because I'm entitled to do anything I want to do in life. It's called improvement. I mean, if I want to say me a cruff, the youth not reach. So it's like if I buy a bus, a car, a bicycle, anything, jail, and a blood clotting. All a man to fuck up what? The friend's gonna fall. I feel like I'm tipsy. It's a month. Lord. As long as me not buy a man too, I'm proud of me. Yeah, I'm gonna get me look a place. I secure me youth them. I take me a mascot. I'm gonna get me look a place and secure me youth them. Me no want to live certain. Me just no want to live. Me just from back where I come from till now, me just no want. Me just want change job. That's why I know nobody in my ears want to do it one step at a time, beat by beat, temple by temple, base by base. Like I'm always want to go in a plane and I just take a plane ride over there. First time I travel, I go regular seat. And the second time I travel, I go first class. So I experience regular seat, I vomit, and first class. First class, me have the whole plane seat to myself. So, I have the whole plane seat to myself. So, you know, I experience things, but what I definitely tell myself, say, the year not done, I not drive. I don't care what nobody want to say. The year not done, I not drive because I have an experience when I go to with somebody and left me a road. And I say bad to bad. And I go to with all of the TikTok of them, I wanna push Bima, I push drop top, I push porch, I push Lamborghini, I push this and I push that. And the world it will be unfair, and the world will beg one place. It will be unfair for me to go look some push too. It don't look like set I wish I do fair money. I wish I do it fair money. You understand what I say? Yeah. So I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. Lord. So myself if I'm Uber to something, sky's the limit. Same thing when anyone wanna see me post up with anything. Now ask me can drive. No question me. Me have whole heap of people around now. Me can say, come, me I got a road, whole key. Question me. When I prepare for stamp for me, I'm putting them alright. When I prepare for stamp for gas station always open. But the weight loss injection, I not eat much. One thing I want to do is a boy take a too bad fuck out of my who this say? My lip kinda white. You know? My man come tonight, I'm gonna put on my lipstick. My man don't come tonight, no lipstick. No, but Ozzy. I don't know about us, you know. When I ask with me and Diamond go, that's when I post up something over here and I ask and I say, oh, Diamond class, me not show shade and that style. I mean, on the one that blood clot talk about. Because just want me and Diamond in a tour. But me I tell you this, it said me and Diamond figure it out and ask him for in not be friends no more. We not hear it on the net. Because into one I look for, we not go get it. Into when I search for on a bloodline, you never get it. So go and wait for it. High from high. You think I thought on a slung on a blood clot search on the pin on the teeth and then a blood clot get it. And someone over here go like on can program. Someone go like on can program people over here too much. You can't Diamond girl cook and give me. I can't buy the hands that feed me. Not grateful like Jakes them. Diamond, my brush up my ear come. My man might come. If him come, and if he not come, not come. But my brush up my ear. My man might come. My husband might come. Diamond girl cook and give me food to eat. Me one thing in life, me not do ungrateful. So all I want to wait for my class or so I can go and type in the comment section. Oh. She shade me and all this and all that. It's a big pussy girl, yeah. My mother alright, she made the Lulu. The Lulu, oh. The Lulu, oh. But you know, someone upon the that go like can't tell people for blood clot though. The Lulu, oh me the Lulu. Tell me. Tell me how me the Lulu worrying, girl. Me dear good Bella, tell me how me the Lulu. Me dear good Bella, tell me how me the Lulu. I want the Lulu. I want blood clot the Lulu. I want the Lulu. I want the Lulu. Trini want I want blood clot the Lulu. Cause from a born out of my mother crutches. And the boy never give me the money blood clot yet. I made him start do the things them yet. I may get him money. I want blood clot the Lulu. I may say boy I fuck up my one many times don't give me a dollar. So for blood clot the Lulu. Eh? Tell me no big old girl in fire. Eh? All the blood clot me the Lulu. Look how much blood clot yours me and pussy clot Drakes there. And look how much them also have a TikTok a Chevy want it until I have to keep it. Eh? Drakes never give me 120,000 like that. I say, eh. Drakes never give me 120,000 I say, eh. Eh, my baby mother. Go buy a couple big drawers. I'm there with him more blood clot long. Eh? And I send down buy iPhone this and shoes and I send down buy iPhone for get girl money for buy iPhone 17 gig girl. And shoes and I put 2 trainers in the back for mute them. And I tell the girl say, the girl ever they don't tell about a lie. The girl ever there play the voice note today. I tell the girl keep him on. Keep him money. Babes, keep him money. Chevy no rob mine till I have to keep it. I get no money at him till I have a blood clot, keep it. She put up vice to the same time to keep money. Babes, keep your money. Eh? And your blood clot. Yo, they want 100 more black. And then, I'm going to have to talk about this because I'm move on it. The whole I want to sit down and make my blood clot tell. The whole I want to sit down, the whole of last month. A Bella alone. Bella. Bacchus Corner and Jules. And the girl with name what's your name again? Claro. What's your name again? Trio. What's I'm saying that? I'm trying to name. What's your name so? Trio. The girl named Trio. What's your name? Trio? That girl is Trio. Not call her Trio. Trio. What's your name? Top girl Trio. Shall alone me see. And bella them. Run out. And drop the blood clot. How me a fall with me. For the count of slung I make me know say, oh, me one man more than my pick them and what me know what someone type here so. Can you give it to me in the comment section. And cute boss, them all one man more than my blood clad pitney. And Destiny, them one man more than my pitney. Me love man more than my pitney. You don't make just come over and come to me and say, oh, me love boy more than my pitney. And run with it. I fuck she want, a man she want, a what she want, and she want, and she want. You understand? You're stinking Omar now, but on a lie. Damn fuck Omar. Bat him out, Omar. Not if I look on somehow now. Yeah. I look on somehow now. You know what I look on somehow now? Chevy, I tell Jokes to keep him money. You pick no one pack of underpants. You nah bite. Yeah, tell girl if you keep your money. You pick no one pack of underpants. You pick no one pack of underpants. You nah bite. Boy, yeah, man. You pick the one pack of underpants, you nah bite. But you can advise no girl and tell girl say. You can advise no girl and tell girl blood clot say. You can advise no girl and tell girl say keep the money babes, keep the money babes. Eh? I mean, I wanna beat me now. What they beat me? Come and beat me blood clot girl, you know. And slaughter up on slaughter board. I'm still on blood clot, take it. Never even should be a device note, the device note that the girl she wants and the whole time money come give and them same don't want it. She say keep it, cause babes and baby girl where you have babes and baby girl this and baby girl that and baby girl this and coffee want man baby girl this and baby girl blood clot that. And wanna beat me and wrap me up in a swaddling clothes. Wanna beat me upon it. Wanna beat me upon it and wrap me up in a swaddling clothes and talk about all the put them on this and the put them on that. And you over here get look at trained. You gotta tell a girl when you know if I'm going to keep your money. Then I want to ask someone so. Then that's something that I really love Akeem now. Figure Akeem my backyard. And when Akeem look like Akeem all leave me, I know I use me no more. Now I use me at the moment and all leave me. But upon Akeem, keep my backyard for me please. Keep my money. Let me ask you, no, because you say me a delusion. You say me a delusional one, and I me love man more than my pit than me a look. Man! So the boy now look for me. I gotta tell him, keep my backyard, don't give me it. I did tell, I'm saying, that's why when I come over here, I talk to trollers. And when I say trollers type, I look on them. When I go and chat. When I come on TikTok, I come talk to the real, authentic big man, them who have sense. Like I Bella and some real big man have blood clots and some real top girl who have sense. Call it what? Another your time. Yeah. Because if the girl catch out your blood clot money, and the girl tell us that she done with the show and say the whole of your money come give you. And you gotta tell her, babes, keep it, I don't want to keep it. I want to look somebody. And you look for no man, because you want to do a 1 up and a 3 up, and a 4 up against me, and a 5 up. Against me. You not take care of you them. But nevertheless, They're the fucking less. Lord, make strong. Did not pocket tonight if I make $1. Lord God. Swiftly live in a match, Crystal live in a match. Me look somebody with smoke we play 2 good match, you know. Me not add anybody, I look somebody with smoke, so me can go rank something, me look something. Yeah, him not fight him, him alright. Them lay them basket already, you know. Everybody make mistake in their life, but them lay for them basket already, so me have my business to deal with it. And worse, a Halloween.
Bumbo Clan, sis, I want to name tonight. Oh yeah, this is Halloween, sis.
Swiss.
Well,
Oui, nah. Rosalee. Fire knock up his screen so me not see your back.
Brother, only can't get
What?
the videos on this man, bro. Them a friend.
Where say?
Yo.
Yes, it. Yes, it's me.
Put on it.
Come do what?
It come like a message them at that long for you.
Hey, tell them if I'm take off it. You me them post up over here, you know?
No, they're not supposed to be my sister. Where's the going now?
That man, if I lock up the screen.
Oh,
He
that
just sit
man.
back. Yeah, that
I like
man.
that name, the sis. I like that name, the tough. That man.
What are that girl should do?
So, no good. Go now, then I play a match.
Me never fall out.
Oh.
That's why I'm a business with my man. And if I want delusional, I don't want nobody tell me nothing because I 32. They ever respect me as a friend, ever respect my choices with my man.
Hallelujah.
I even know why I'm 100 million times is my man.
True.
Don't you respect my choices with my man?
Oh.
You.
You shut up.
Yeah.
Oh?
What I do, we say, Swiss, that you just, Swiss, let me tell you this. You see, that with you.
Let me share with you now. Let me share with you. Rosalee is older than me, right? And if Rosalee want to be delusional over one boy picnic, I cannot tell her don't be delusional. If she want like a boy, she like him. Where want me to say? Rosalee don't get a boy.
Let me ask you a question, Swisty. I'm with the delusion over the man and the man I give him things.
No, you just say Malera.
Swisty, come here, so what them foot hurt. Swisty, you know, so what them foot hurt me, the boy still long and mustard.
Nobody come back with the food story. You've been a selling from what day?
Oh, them tell that food story.
Don't make your food story.
No, it's why I say Dulu. Can you stay to donut if you want Dulu? If you accept, so me I say.
Let me Dulu, me don't want donut, tell me no, me a big man at the end of the day. I 2 things I can't buy alive a fast teeth and bumbo.
Me always tell him say donut, Rosa.
But no, but me I'm a relation. Leave me, but me's a Dulu team. The girl them know that.
Me tell him.
Never moderator anytime me Akim good. DP for dead when me and him follow to change. Me say change the DP.
Me tell him. I am not listening.
What that team Dulu?
Him say my different. Donut, say my different. I am going to teach
him. Not for defend me because him not for defend me. Me want the boy.
Yes. I'm telling him can't stop that.
You can't stop that. I just can't help the way that I feel.
Yes.
I just can't help the way that I feel.
Yes.
Do the dope. Love come down. Ooh, you mem.
So, your poor say you want a man and Malisa today.
Can't do anything.
Oh, your relationship functional.
Me always have it.
Oh, bounce round.
No bounce on and I can't put a content there, maybe it's a content creator.
I like when the skin
Alright
belly,
then.
you see? I like when the
You
skin
see,
belly.
little storm here then, you have to prove the people them in a this a hurricane, yeah.
So what?
If I ever figure get satellite bill Wi-Fi so people can see how foreign. We want to see where you got this all lockdown here then.
Not tell a lie, not tell a lie. Not tell a lie, sis. Like how you say, the boy, if storm come and in India, no even want to say nothing to you because me
They
say,
got tell me say storm come and the boy me and the boy at the one place. Him know what happened? What
him
happened to that?
have help you, me don't know if your house are leave, but him have help you if you want two things to set and to rain and fall, mackerel and rice and cook. Where I'm supposed to be?
So you have to say if storm come and the boy come look for me, that means say Ray.
Ask your chat now, ask me.
Me not ask my chat
That's
nothing.
what you do. Or ask a moderator them then.
Ask
Me
your
not ask my
moderator.
moderator them nothing.
Rain and fall, you know when rain and fall upon roads, we know. When rain and fall upon house top, zinc house top, mackerel and cook look food.
You hold a Rosalee moderator there and follow me.
Because the girl them like more delusional. I mean them say straight. Mads and follow. I just scared. If rain and fall, me go circle black girl and I go. Leave the boy. Leave him, make him stay.
Actually, the girl them love you. Girl them love you, nah lie, sis. Girl them love you.
You know what, but yes, me delusional left me and my man. You don't want to tell me nothing. Urge I'm used to girl now, no? Mistake, I remember we are team. Moderator, when I write the Lulu, don't mute them. Remember we are team delusional, like we stand for.
Nah, argue with you, because you're not put nothing.
That's all like somebody when know.
In love
Why?
sometimes.
After one to you.